Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy, cute stickers. I'm going to show you 3 methods to make them, and I'm sure you'll have the supplies to make at least one of the methods, or you already have the supplies at home. I'm also going to show you how to make this kind of set that I made as a present for my friend. So let's get into it. Of course, you will need the images that you're going to use, or a pen if you want to draw them yourselves. You will need some parchment paper, some glue, some scissors of course, and then for one of the methods you will need some double-sided tape. For the other 2 methods you will need some normal tape, and for one of the other 2 you will also need some Mod Podge. I will start by discussing the tape and the Mod Podge methods, and for these methods you will need to start by cutting out all of your images. For most of the images I just cut right along the edge, but for some of them I decided to leave a little bit of white around the image, but you can just choose whatever you prefer. Because I made these stickers as a birthday present, I decided to make an extra sticker where I just wrote Happy Birthday. Now I decided which stickers I was going to use for which methods. I cut them all out, but I actually only realized later that for the double-sided tape method you actually don't need to cut your stickers out yet, but for the other methods you do. Start by taking a piece of parchment paper and sticking your tape on there, overlapping the pieces so you have a big enough surface for your stickers to fit. Then take some glue, and I forgot to film this, but what you basically do is just glue your stickers onto the tape. Now for the first method you just take another layer of tape and put it onto the first tape, but this only works with like really thin stickers, so they are completely covered. For the bigger stickers I used some Mod Podge, and I just used a brush to cover the entire stickers in the Mod Podge, and it dries up clearly so you won't see it. When the Mod Podge has dried, you can just take some scissors and cut out the images. Now for the method with the tape, it is important to leave a little edge of tape around the image. For the Mod Podge you can just cut right along the edge if you want. I had to stop recording because my cat was purring really loudly. Now for the double-sided tape method, I think this is the easiest method because you just take your double-sided tape and stick it onto the parchment paper. Then you pull off the top layer and you just take your images and stick them right onto there. It's really easy. Now just take your scissors and start cutting the images out. I only now realized that it's actually much more convenient if you don't cut out the images earlier, because your scissors really will stick to this double-sided tape. So it's much easier to cut if there's still a layer of paper there, if that makes any sense. So just don't cut the images out yet until you've stuck them onto the tape. And yeah, that's it. This is just a really easy way to make really cute stickers, and I just took images that I know my friend liked and they work really well. So now to make the sticker set, I just used a piece of pretty paper and used some washi tape to stick a piece of parchment paper to it. I cut off the edge and then I just took all my stickers and stuck them on there. You just need to remove the parchment paper layer and stick them on the new parchment paper. For some it was kind of hard to remove the layer because it was stuck on really well, but it worked. I just tried to arrange them in a way that it looked pretty, and yeah, it's just a really fun gift, I think, because you can make something really personal with things your friend or family member that they like, and it's really easy. They can just take the stickers and stick them on anything they want, and it's really fun to make as well. So yeah, as you see, they are really easy to remove and they stick on paper or most objects. So yeah, I think these stickers turned out really cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and leave a comment and subscribe. My channel is still really small. On the moment I'm recording this, I think I have 23 subscribers, but I hope I'll be able to grow, and I would really appreciate if you help me by subscribing and liking. So bye!